Page number 63, First Flight, chapter 100 Dresses, part 1. In this chapter, children, you will learn about a girl. Her name is Wanda Petronsky. Quite a funny name, isn't it? Wanda Petronsky. She's a Polish girl. We are told about Poland and many people immigrating to America. That was the year 1608. There's a box in the book, and that is very important. And she's a Polish girl, and she also came to America. And she was actually in sitting in room number 13. So room number 13, and she would always sit at the last seat. This girl, Wanda, wasn't a talkative girl, and she didn't have any friends. She was not a notorious child. Then, can anybody tell me why she would sit at the end of the class? You can raise your hand if you want to say something. Okay. Yes, Harshita. I think you've read the chapter. Yes, Harshita. Answer.
Man, might be she would be not a good student.
Okay. Mansi.
Ma'am, might be she shy of her dress.
Yes, she is a very good student. Actually, she's shy of her dress because she belongs to a poor family and wears one dress every day to school. See, sixth number. Wanda was a poor girl who always wore a faded blue dress which was never ironed properly. And in that class, there were many rough boys also. And you know, the rough boys, they don't get good marks and they make a lot of noise, they laugh a lot, and they are actually disturbing 11th. And neither they study nor they allow others to study and concentrate. So, what happens is she was sitting among them, but she was very quiet. She had no friends, nobody talked to her. She came to school alone without any friend, and she went home alone without any friend. But there is one more child. Her name is Peggy. Peggy was a popular girl in the class, and we can see that she was pretty. She was quite rich because she had many dresses. She had curly hair. Whereas Wanda used to wear one faded dress every day, which was not even ironed. So this Peggy used to come to her and she would make fun of her dress, of her name also, because her name was actually quite funny according to the Americans. Her name, Wanda Petronsky, was difficult to pronounce and looked funny to the child. We are told in page number 65 that there were many children having the name Thomas, Smith, Allen. These are common names. And there was one boy, his name was Bounce, Willie Bounce. They felt that name was also very, very funny. But Petronsky, that was the funniest they had heard. And then we are told that uh, Peggy had one friend. Her name was Maddie. Actually, her pet name is Maddie, otherwise, she is Magdalene. And this Magdalene was poor and she was best friend of Peggy. And all the dresses which Peggy used to say that it's worn out and I don't want to wear anymore would be handed down to Maddie. And Maddie's mother, who was quite a good tailor, she would make some changes in the dress that now nobody came to know that that dress was actually Peggy's. So Maddie was poor and wore old and handed down clothes of Peggy. and she didn't like Peggy questioning of Wanda about 100 dresses. So when she would go, Wanda, this Peggy would wait for Wanda, and then they would tease her. How many dresses do you have, Wanda? How many dresses? How many shoes? How many this? How many that? And one day she said, "I have 100 dresses in my closet, in my almirah, and all beautiful colors, beautiful designs." So she would question her about the dresses, the shoes, and the hats. Maddie didn't like Peggy teasing Wanda all the time. She felt it was quite insulting because she herself was poor. And then one day, what happened is we are told that a competition had taken place. Everybody felt that in the drawing competition, Peggy would win because Peggy was excellent in drawing. There was two sets of competition, one for the boys and one for the girls. The girls had to design dresses, and the boys, anybody knows what the boys have to do? Yes, the boys had to design cars. They had to design cars. So what happened is that the day came when they reached school, and it was the day for them to listen to the result of the competition, and everybody felt that Peggy would win. Everybody was waiting for the winner of the drawing and the color competition. Everybody thought that Peggy would be the winner. And next day, when they entered room number 13, what did they find? Everywhere. They found drawings all over the room. Hundreds of drawings. Why? Because you remember Wanda said, "I have 100 dresses." So she was the one who had handed 100 drawings for the competition. And then Miss Mason, the class teacher, declared that each and every painting, each and every drawing of the child is a winner. But only one painting can get a prize. So who was that child who got the prize?
Ma'am, Wanda
Wanda.
painting.
Wanda. But actually Wanda was not there. Wanda was declared as the winner, but she wasn't there. So why she wasn't there? Because she had got very bugged up, very irritated because of constant nagging, constant this thing asking from Peggy, like, how many dresses you have, how many hats you have, how many shoes you have, and it's quite a funny name. So she had got bugged up, and had she must have told her parents, and then they left that place. They used to stay in Boggins Height, the very poorest section of the locality, and there was quite a lot of. It was a muddy area, and where she sat at the end of the room, it used to get very muddy because her legs were always caked with mud, and she didn't mind sitting at the end because that was the end of the where children used to sit who were quite naughty, notorious, would not allow her. But she had no choice because she came from a poor section, and she wore a blue faded dress every day to school, and she wanted to avoid the children making fun of her. And let's see, unfortunately, Wanda, who was declared as the winner of the girls' medal, was not present to hear the applause, and she had been absent for 3 days: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 3 days she was absent. And then these two girls, Peggy and Maddie, they go to her house to see whether she is there or not, but unfortunately she has left. And then Peggy, who was not bad at heart, she was actually an animal lover also. So she wanted to inform Wanda. She says, I want to inform Wanda that you're the winner. Even though Peggy was also a good artist, so she wanted to inform Wanda or her own that, you are the winner of this drawing competition, but she wasn't there. So, one